Welcome back to the lab. Today, we're diving into the future of engineering right here. Notice the water level indicated here. We need to divert the flow above this point, preventing it from reaching the dry area of the
The steel cofferdam wall failed at this point due to immense water pressure, resulting in catastrophic collapse.
Keep it steady. Tighten those bolts now. Clear the area below. Secure the well. Let's go. All right, secure the diagonal beams. Check the central connections. Lower the hook slowly. The weight feels balanced. Ready to tighten all points.
The depth here is stable. Proceed with the final measurements.
Yeah.
Understood. Initiating sequence.
With a simple movement of the tools, we have created a vulnerability. Now watch as the water finds its way through.
Welcome to Sense 29. Today, we delve into the intricate dance of construction, where strength meets precision.
Keep it tight, right there. Looks good, moving to the next one. Nice work. Keep it steady there. Formwork's almost set. Checking the bracing. Ready for the next pour on the north side. Keep it coming. Watch the spread, team. Vibrators ready. Steady. Pulling back. Pour complete.
The thermal vision reveals the internal heat of the pier as it cures. The glowing orange and red indicate the active chemical reaction.
Keep it steady. Guide it left a bit. Affirmative. Watch the alignment on that corner. Line it up, steady, steady. Oh. Bring it down slowly. Watch the clearance. Watch the clearance. Perfect. Secure it.
Engaging descent. Maintain slow speed.
Alignment confirmed. Lowering.
Segment touching down. Stand by for release.
Sense 45. A paving machine lays out fresh black asphalt. A machine follows, painting bright white lines.